Hey boys and girls, Mr. McCauley here. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to make a 3-slide presentation using Google Docs. In Google Docs, the presentation section is called Google Slides. And I'm just going to ask you to just make a small 3-slide presentation just so you learn how to use the program. But if you've used PowerPoint before, this is probably going to be a review for you. Okay. So let's start off. I'm going to click on the actual slide, and I have some options of changing the background, the layout, and different things. I'm going to start off with the theme. Now, one thing you notice that if you click in the text, they give you all the tools for working with text. You click on the slide, then they give you the tools for working with the slide. Let's change the theme. So here's some themes over here that I can use. Let's see. This one looks kind of funky. I'm going to go with that. Make a 3-slide presentation. Get rid of that. My title is going to be Kittens. And down here I'm going to add my name. So there we are. Now I need another slide. So there's a plus button here for a new slide. If I push that, it will make a new slide. If I click on the one beside it with a triangle, it actually lets me pick what the layout would be. But I can change the layout later if I want to. So I'm going to push here, and I'm going to choose a section where I can have some, usually a title and a body is a good slide for when you want to add some information. So here's slide 2. The title of this one's going to be, I don't know, something about kittens. I'm going to call it Soft and Furry. Maybe shrink that down a little bit. And I'm going to add some text. So, what are kittens? They are cute. They are small. They are baby cats. Now you're going to do a way better job than I'm doing. So maybe if I click on the font here, I want that font to be a little bit bigger, perhaps the points. And I want something right over here. What do I want? Of course, I want a picture. So there's a couple ways of getting pictures into Google Slides. I'm going to show you the first way. So I'm going to insert, and I'm going to insert an image. There's also this picture, this icon right here I can use. Oh, I already was searching for kittens, so of course you figure that out. If you type in the word kittens and do search, you'll get the search. If you click on these different buttons, you'll get different pictures that have a different colored hue. So for example, these all have to do with blue, for example. Okay, this guy's super cute. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to select. A little bit too big, so I'm going to go like that. This guy up here is for rotating, if you want to rotate the picture. Okay. And then I need maybe one more slide. I'm going to just I push duplicate, and I have 2 slides now, and I can change that one. Okay, so here's a little bit of extra things that you can do to make your slideshow a little more interesting. First of all, I can add a transition so that when I actually play the slide, I'll get some kind of interesting transition going on from slide to slide. So here's transition. I can pick, I'm going to go with cube. I'm going to apply it to all the slides. So when I push play, and I'm actually presenting, I can push the button and it'll scroll through and rotate like that. Let's look at that one more time. So go to present. And there, that's the cube effect. Not bad. Now, you don't want to go crazy with this, but the other thing I can do is I can add kind of a little animation where I can have the, I'm going to have the cat picture zoom in. When I click, it'll zoom in. Now, you don't want too many of these crazy things. If you have cats flying all over the place, after a while it gets annoying. So a little bit is okay. It's kind of like adding hot sauce to your meal. A little bit makes it okay, but too much and whoa, you can't eat or watch anymore. Okay? So I'm going to ask you to make a 3-slide presentation about something. Here's my last slide. Your job is to come up, like I just duplicated this slide, but you'll add different information. So I'm going to ask you to make a short presentation about something. The object really is to learn how do you use Google Slides. Hey, good luck. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.